First, we'll grab the latch from the top side and then pull it downwards. Just like that. Similar latch on the other side, grab the top part and then pull it down. Now you notice the hood is losing its grip. Right where the logo is, if we lift up the hood a little bit, notice there is a lever right there. Press and hold that lever towards the right side and then lift up the hood. This is that lever that I was talking about. Press it towards the right side and then lift up the hood. While holding the hood, we gently take the support bar and then place it in that hole right there. Once the hood is opened, we'll use a clip remover tool and take out this clip right there. We'll punch in the top portion of the clip and then pull it out just like that. There you notice the top portion of the clip is taken out. We also need to pull out the bottom portion and then at the end put both pieces together. There it is, we got the first clip taken out. This is where we took out the first clip and here's the second clip that we're supposed to take out. Once again, we'll punch in the tool and take out the top part. Then take out the bottom part of the clip. Once both pieces are out, just put them together at the end. We will keep on going and taking out all these clips one by one. The process involves taking out the top clip first and then taking out the bottom portion. Also putting them together at the end so that you do not lose them. Notice in my case I'm missing one clip right here, but in your case make sure you take it out and then we'll go ahead and take out another clip which is right there. In this case I was able to pull out this clip together. Now the final clip is right there that we are supposed to take out. There it is. Once all the clips are taken out, now you would notice the grill is losing its grip. From the top part it is loose, just the bottom part is holding on to it. We'll need to gently pull out the grill from the bottom portion. I was able to pull it out from one side, now I will pull it out from the other side. Just like that, you notice we pulled out both sides of the grill. Now we'll jump on taking out the turn signal plugs from both sides because that is holding on to the grill itself. Notice behind there's that plug right there. What we'll have to do is grab the plug, turn it clockwise and then pull it outwards. There's the plug along with the bulb taken out. Now to speed up the process, I will not be showing you the other side. You can replicate the same process to pull out the turn signal from the other side. Once both sides turn signal plugs are taken out, you would notice we have taken out the complete grill just like that. That's how we take out the grill. In my case, the grill is good, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new grill and you want to install it back, we'll go ahead and punch in the turn signal back. Make sure the turn signal is completely in. Only then we will turn it counterclockwise to install it firm and strong. Turn signal is in. Similar way, install the other side turn signal. Now we'll go ahead and install the grill back. Notice behind the grill there are some brackets. If I am to show you, there's that one bracket right there. Other bracket right besides, followed by other brackets all the way till the very end. So what we have to do is, we are supposed to install these metal brackets into these spots right there. You would notice there's one spot right there, and then there's one more spot right here, followed by remaining spots all the way till the very end. So we'll go ahead and punch in those brackets, making sure they're completely in from all over. Once the brackets are in place, then we will give them a push until they're completely installed. There it is, we got half portion of the grill completely in. And just like that, we got the other half portion of the grill also completely installed. Once all the brackets from underneath are completely in their place, only then we will go ahead and punch in the clips from top one by one. First clip is in. Second clip in place. Third clip is also in. Fourth clip in as well. And there we got the final clip in place. Now suppose you want to close the hood back, just lift the hood upwards and then take out the support bar. We put it back to its place. We lower the hood all the way down. Then we grab the latch and make sure these two tabs are going into these two positions. So we'll just punch it inside like this and then press it all the way up. There it is. Similar on the other side. Make sure these two tabs are going into these two positions. We again go ahead and punch them inside and then press it all the way up. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.